I'm going to be showing you my new brothers and sisters. So let's go. Here are my new brother and sisters. I don't know if they're a boy or a girl, but here they are. Aren't they adorable? They're adorable. Hi guys. So, another thing. That's me. That's Mocha. That's our baby mama. That's my papa. That's what you be. And that's me. Hi guys. I'm adorable, right? I'm stupid.